The cutter moves to the starting position and plunges to Z-5. With G41G1, that is, cutter radius compensation to the left in combination with linear interpolation in feed, the outer contour is machined. The tool first travels along an upward diagonal line. Using the Rn parameter, contour elements can be connected by a transition element. If the Rn value is positive, as in this program, the tool generates a fillet. With a negative value, it would create a chamfer. This fillet connects another downward diagonal line, forming a closed, pointed shape. It is followed by a large clockwise arc, G2, that completes the outer contour. A subprogram called with G22 is then used to machine two recesses. Once again, G41, G1 with positive Rn values, that is, fillets, is applied. On the raised surface, a circular pocket is rough milled using the circular pocket milling cycle G73, about 20 mm in diameter and 21 mm deep. Next, we use the rectangular pocket milling cycle G72 to mill a rectangular pocket measuring approximately 44 by 20 mm and 12 mm deep. With G23, the machining sequence is repeated, finishing the contours and bringing them to final size. Below the circular pocket, an arc-shaped groove is milled. For this, the arc groove milling cycle G75 is used. The groove is about 10 mm wide and 3 mm deep, with a radius of 30 mm. In the rectangular pocket, a bore follows next. G81 performs the spot drilling. G82, as a deep drilling cycle with chip breaking, creates the core hole, and G84 cuts the thread to the programmed final depth. After that, a bolt circle with 5 holes is created along the arc-shaped groove. The G77 cycle, call on a partial circle, distributes the holes evenly along a radius of 30 mm. The drilling cycle, G81, provides the full depth. At the end, the outer contour is machined once more, slightly deeper, using a 90-degree NC center drill. During this pass, the tool's 45-degree cutting edge meets the top edge of the workpiece and removes a small amount of material. This produces a 2 mm chamfer. The tool radius compensation, TR, ensures that the center drill follows the contour correctly. This completes the workpiece. For more instant CNC, check out our channel in milling and in turning.